Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is regarding the Lambda function of Microsoft Excel. Lambda function in Excel is a function which lets you create your custom function to do different calculations. This makes easy to apply formula and also eliminate chance of error while writing manual formula time and again. Here in this example, I have a data of sales revenue of different items for January 2023 and January 2024. My requirement here is to calculate the growth percent in the column D. Growth percent is the percent change. In Microsoft Excel, there is not any default function to calculate this. We have to use a manual formula, which is new value divided by old value minus 1, whole multiply with 100. Now, let's create function using Lambda. In any blank cell, press equals, then type Lambda. Open parentheses. In this parameter or calculation, define the first parameter, that is the new value. So, type here new underscore value. Give a comma. In the second parameter, type old underscore value. Then give a comma. Now in the calculation, write the required formula, which is open parentheses, then type new. Here you will see this new value parameter. Because it is already defined here in Lambda, double-click on it to choose. Now type the division symbol. Now type and choose second parameter, that is old value. Type minus 1. Close the parentheses. Then, multiply by 100. Close the Lambda function by parentheses. Now, select this entire Lambda formula. Right-click and cut. Press the Escape key in keyboard. Click on Formula tab. Click on Name Manager. Click on New button. In the name bar, write the custom function name, that is growth percent. In the refers to, remove any previous value, then paste the formula. Click on OK. Close the name manager. Now function is created. Click on D5 cell. Press equals. Type growth. Here you see growth percent function. Double-click on it to choose. In the new value parameter, select the January 2024 sales of first item. Give a comma. In the old value parameter, select the January 2023 sales of first item. Close parentheses. Now press Enter. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. So, this is how we create custom functions by using Lambda in Excel. You can change any other manual formula to a function using Lambda. If you want to delete the function, click on the Name Manager in Formula tab. Then, select and delete the function. If this topic was useful, please give a like in this video. If you are new here, consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.